So welcome to Kinspire Tech. So first of all, you go to the network to check that your network is connected. Then you now go to your Windows as icon to access the browser you are gonna use to browse. So I'll open Google Chrome. Then when it closes, I'll close this browser. If you watch over here, this is your internet browser for the um, IP address for the router. You access it. Then enter your password. When you are logged in into the router, this Wi-Fi is showing you 3 people connected through Wi-Fi, and this is the low speed as of the time we are recording this. Then down here is actually your router. Then you have to access. I'll also drop a link to this video, this website, which is in my MTN app, so that you can use it to subscribe. So because we were asking how do you subscribe on your router, so this is what you just do. Just watch this. So you access my MTN app, then asks you for the number you want to use to check it. So I'll have to go to access this MTN number. Use this check my number, but it doesn't work most of the time. So if it doesn't work, simple thing you just need to do is you have to either get the SIM pack and type the number inside this box. So that's what I'm doing. I just type the number in the box, and when I'm done typing, you see the box even highlights. When the number is complete up to level, it highlights by itself. You click on proceed, then you click on the primary number, which is the main number, because I linked my number to this account. So that's why I see the alternate number is my number. So I'll now receive a OPDP which they have sent to this router because the SIM card is inside the router. So I'll now click on the SIM section and access the message. It is written here. So but most of the time copy doesn't work over here. So you just need to look for where you write it out, which is what I'll do, to write it out somewhere, then so I can now paste it on that section. So I'll now type it. I'm typing it directly. I'm just copying it and typing it in the cell. Then when I'm done, I will now type the last one, 10, then press proceed. I've now been able to log into my MTN app on the web. This is using the web browser to subscribe your router on the web browser. So this is the data remaining. So that's where you can check the data remaining. Then here is where you can know your plan you are on, and you can, it's actually on not, I turn off the auto renewal. You can click there to turn on the auto renewal. Then to know your subscription, you can click here to check your subscription. Then here is to view your balance. Then here is actually to buy bundles, which I'll click on. Now this is where you can access different bundles you are to buy. So I'll tell you how to do that later. So first of all, you just look at your balance is this, and you can also top up from here. This is actually where you can top up to your account or recharge for others too. So you can also use your mobile account, your own normal private line, to top up for your router too. So when you're done, you click on the data. You can see, oh yeah, you can actually click on any buy bundles to buy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy data for a friend of mine, just to show you demo of what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is to buy 50 MB data for him. So I've checked the size. These are actually monthly. You can choose on which one you want. Monthly data plan, 2 months data plan, 3 months data plan, 6 months data plan, and also yearly data plan, which you can subscribe. It depends on whatever you want. Then you can switch between broadband router subscriptions. You can also see MiFi subscriptions. You can also see MTN Tribe bundles, which is MTN Tribe bundles. You can also see that here. You can select Thrive Talk or Thrive Data, whichever one you want. Then you can also check your Thrive Data. Then you actually have to check on your social bond. So you can also check that by clicking on that button to take you to other options which you can use. You can also click to go back to the options for whichever one you want to use. Then I'll click on buy data. So I want to buy daily 50 MB, 40 MB I want to get for him for 15 naira. So that's what I actually want to subscribe for him. I'll just select it, then come here, click for save, because I'm actually subscribing for someone. So but for here is when you want to subscribe for someone. So you can use this option to subscribe for your router if you're logged in with your own, say, private SIM card. But if you want to, since I want to subscribe for myself, you just click this one to subscribe for the router individually. But if you want to subscribe for someone else, which is what I'll do, I'll now enter the person's phone number here and everything will be checked on. So I'll just click back to be sure to know your balance is up to that. So you can go back to check your balance. So I've checked my balance now. My balance is 92 now, so I have enough balance to buy the 40 MB that I want to buy for 15 naira. So I'll just click on buy bundles, then down to daily, select the data 40 MB for 15 naira. So I'll just click on it. This is what I want to select it, 15 naira. Then come down. I'm not buying for myself, I'm buying for others. So I'll just type there, type the person's number. So when I've done that, that box checks yellow that the number is actually complete. I'll now click proceed. If you watch your down here, these two buttons must be checked green before you can continue. So it's just asking to confirm. So here you can choose whether to is renewal or every after it expires it renews automatically, or is one time purchase. Then you can choose between your airtime to recharge from your airtime or your ATM card or from your airtime, which is good. Then I'll now confirm to that I'm buying, check the number. Then down, I'm done here. If you watch here, here is where we are done. I'm done recharging. So you can also download or share feedback, whichever one you watch. So thanks for watching. I'll also do a video on how to check on mobile app or using the my MTN app. So thanks for watching.